Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to add a device to Google Home. Let's go. Open Google Home app. Devices. Add. If you use a Google or Nest device, turn on your device and select this. The app will find your device and add it to Google Home. If you are using a different device, then open App Store or Play Store, find and install your device app. Add your device to the manufacturer's app. After that, open the Google Home app. Devices. Add. Works with Google. Find the manufacturer's app. Continue. Link your account to Google Home. After that, your device from the manufacturer's application will be added to the Google Home app. That's it. Now you know how to add a device to Google Home. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.